aloe vera. I just harvest a few branches to make soap. So if you are a soap maker, homemade, aloe vera should be one of your plants that you should grow. Okay, very easy to grow. Okay, in the shade, anywhere in your garden, it should grow. In a pot, it should grow. Indoor, it should grow as well. So there's no reason why any soap maker doesn't have aloe vera at home. They should have it at home. It's very moisturizing. Okay, traditionally, it was used for burns. Okay, anyone has a sunburn or anything, cut off the gel, get the gel out of it. I'll show you later, and you rub it on your body. Okay, your skin, and actually it's help sunburn, all that stuff. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. If you're into permaculture as well, aloe vera is a great permaculture plant. Okay, so it can do multiple things. Okay, but for our purpose, soap making, I'll show you how we're going to do it, how we're going to prepare the aloe vera, so you can make soap. So how big this one is? Okay, I'll grow this below the aloe vera fruit tree here. So it's a great companion, a bush for your tree. Okay, so it can grow underneath your plants. Okay, your big trees. Okay, so it's perfect in shade. Okay, so the sun's like west is that way. Right now it's like mid-afternoon. So it's dry. Look at this. You know how big this is. I have not harvested this yet, but I will later on as well. So put in the ground, it will grow really big. Put in a pot, if you nurture it, it still grow alright. But it's prefer in the shade in the ground. Okay, see like that, how big this is. Huge. And you can harvest, and it still can grow back. Okay? Aloe vera. Now, when I harvest the aloe vera, see the gel coming out. Phew. Okay. What I did was I cut it up right at the base of the branch of the aloe vera. Then I leave it in water. Okay. So before you use it, there's a brownish, reddish substance. It could be irritating to the skin. Okay, so it's very laxative. So to get rid of that, you cut this and dump it into a bucket like this. Okay, I have left this for a few hours. Doesn't matter as long as you get it. Okay, it will drain out all the laxative part. Okay, and you're ready to use it in your soap. Okay. Now I'm going to show you, go inside, and I'm going to chop all this up, and I'll show you how we're going to prepare to make soap. Now, to prepare the aloe vera, basically the only two things that you need, okay, a knife and a spoon, okay, and a container that you're going to use where you're going to put it, okay. For me, I'm going to put it straight into my blender here, okay, and I'm going to blend it all up. I'm going to make a juice out of it, okay, to make soap. Okay, so I'm going to use the gel. Put this all away. Okay, I'll show you now. I'll show you the easiest way to cut this. Okay, so there's the vine here, right? Very sharp. Okay, so you use the knife. Okay, just chop off this part, top part, bottom top part, like that, right? Just go underneath. Okay, on the side, just chop off the spiky part. So this got spiky part here, all gone. Then you see nearby, doing both sides. Don't have to be precise, as long as you get rid of that, okay? Okay, so now say you can handle this, okay? Okay, now the best way, you don't use the knife, okay? Use the spoon to scoop it out, okay? Let me show you one part. Go this way. My hand is not in the way. So like that. Hold on to it and just go up to where the skin is, okay? So hold down one side and you basically can strip it. It's like you fillet a fish. Okay, so you get the juice out like that, alright? Similar to the bottom, go underneath here. I use this way, okay? Hold like that. Hold on to the bottom. There you go, and you strip it out. Juice. It's very slippery. It's aloe vera, okay? So imagine you got this going to your soap. You might, have a fall in the bathroom. That's it. Okay, this is the juice that you want. This is the stuff that you want. Okay, just leave that out. Okay, I'm gonna slowly harvest all this and I'll show you back. I'm gonna chop this up. Make it easier for the blender. Basically, just use your blender to blend everything in. Make it closer. Very slippery. I wonder why nobody think of the way of using this as a massage, Because the Japanese, they use the nori massage. This substance here is very similar. The gel here. Scoop every part out. Don't waste it. Yeah, so you get that, okay? You can see. Okay. So with this, right, you blend it up later. I'm going to do the whole batch. Then I'll put in a ice cube. Okay, use the ice cube to put it in. Okay, I'll stop the camera. Then I'll show you guys later how I process this. Okay, so pretty easy. I'll do one more time. Chop this part off. Okay. Hold it up. Get rid of the side, the spiky side. Very simple. Anyone can do this, okay? So easy to grow, so benefit for you. Get rid of that. Now, use a spoon. Okay. I'll hold this way so you can see. See how smooth that is? Simple. Oops, I break that. Doesn't matter. You get the idea, right? So, right there. Go in here. Hold underneath. And just peel away. Look at that. Just finishing the fish. You get burned. This juice here is perfect. Okay, and it doesn't drop on your skin. Imagine going in the soap. Beautiful. Moisturizing. In your hair, your skin, your face, all good, okay? I'm gonna turn this off now because I need to finish this off and I'll come back to you guys. Yeah, last piece. Okay, so show you a different angle. So you basically easy. This one go to the compost bin, but I have vermicompost. So I have the worms, it will eat this, no problem. Chop it up small, done. Okay, and this is my result. Probably take me 10-15 minutes to do all this, probably in 1.8 liter. Okay, so this one 2 liter. This glass jar here, blender here, 2 liters, so nearly to the top. Okay, so I'm going to blend all this and put into an ice cube. Okay. Yeah, just finished. Okay, it will be foamy like this. Okay, but that's alright. It's all good, no problem. Okay, take it out. Gonna put it in an ice cube, ice tray. Okay, this will not do it. I'll probably need 3 trays. Okay, so otherwise put in a bowl. Okay, then you put in the fridge. Okay, show you that now. It's formed up very good, but that's alright. Free this and it's ready to go. Juice is so nice. Look at this. Oh, so refreshing for the skin. Oh, don't waste it. All the put in your face. Ah, so good. Okay, do another one. So you freeze this, okay? Then you use it to replace your water, okay? Replace your water in your recipe. Which in another video I'll probably show you how I do this. Okay, but today I'm just show you how you can make this at home using the plant that you have around. Aloe vera is very good, very good. Everyone, every home, even if you live in an apartment, a unit, okay, you still can grow in your balcony, indoor. It can survive indoor, okay. Grow it, please, grow it, aloe vera, okay. Bit extra, more. The one on the bottom is more of the juice. The one on top is more of the foam. But that's alright. We can all use every part of it. Perfect. 3 ice cubes of aloe vera, juice and bulb. Wonderful. Look at that. Okay, tap it out, freeze it, and ready to be used for your next soap making batch, aloe vera. My name is Travis Chow. I'll see you next time with another video. Don't waste this, okay? Put in your skin, your face, so refreshing. Okay, it's this ice cube here. You can use it any time as well, okay, for your body, okay? You don't have to use it for soap, okay? Anytime, for your hair, okay? Don't have to use this as just soap, okay? You use it anytime you like as a nourishment for your skin. Look at that. It's foaming already, and it's not even making soap yet, okay? Put in your my leg now. You don't want to see my leg. Yeah, when I do this, I love to make this because I can use it on my body. Okay, I'll see you next time. Not really there. This is one of the batch that I made, and the leftover from the last one. Okay, so I iced it, I baked it, so it looks like this when you finish with your, when you pop it out from the ice cube, ice tray. You have cube like this. Okay, perfect for soap making.